how to make a YouTube banner on Canva. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go in Canva, you're gonna have to go to the search button and you're gonna have to search up YouTube banner. Once you search up YouTube banner, click on enter. So it should take you to this page right here. Once you search up YouTube banner, if you want to be specific, for example, I have a how-to channel, so I'm gonna just search up how to. Then it should take you to this channel right here, and you have many options you could choose from. For example, this one right here. So this is for a gaming channel, this is a travel channel. You could just find the one that suits you. So for example, I have a how-to channel, so I'm gonna just click on this option right here. Now I'm gonna click on customize. Now from here, so my how-to channel, the name is Ryan Tech. The website is ryantech.com. New videos out every day. You could change this to whatever you want. You could also change the background color. If you click on it, click on the background, you could change it to whatever you want. You can also change it to other colors if you don't like it. You could also go back all the way to the beginning. If you want, you could also click on position, click on layers, click on the picture right here, click on color, click on red. You could also click on edit, click on this option right here, dual tune. You can find random colors you could choose from. For example, that's basically how you get a free banner for your YouTube channel on Canva. So this would have helped you. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.